As AI continues to evolve, new breakthroughs brings not only innovation but also serious concerns. DeepSeek has quickly risen as the next big AI model, but with its rise, questions about data privacy and censorship have emerged. Just yesterday, security researchers from WIS uncovered a publicly accessible ClickHouse database linked to DeepSeek, completely open and unauthorized. This means sensitive data was left exposed to anyone to access. That includes API keys, all the data user will query, and everything else. But don't worry. Today, I will show you how to take control of your data by running DeepSeek locally on your own computer. No data leak, no external access, and absolutely no censorship. You don't need to have a beef computer, you just need to have your laptop. It could be a Mac, Linux, or Windows. I am Piotr Tarnawski, aka Angry Admin from angrysysops.com. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let's start. The safest option to play around with AI models is running them locally. You can run ChatGPT, you can run DeepSeek, you can run any other models. To do so, we need some kind of tool. And one of those tools is Ollama, which I will show you today how to install it and how to use it. Why do you need any tool? You don't if you are prepared to hustle a bit. So if you don't have a tool, you have to do everything manually, which means manually download large model files, set up a dependencies like Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, etc. Configure the environment properly, optimize your hardware. You will need machine learning framework, you will need to write a Python script, you need to control input and outputs and deal with errors and compatibility issues. If you're ready to do so, go ahead and do yourself. If you want just to play and see capabilities of AI, use the tool. Let's download Ollama. The website is ollama.com. Very easy. And once you open the website, you just click on the download. Once on the download page, you can choose your operating system. It could be macOS, it could be Linux or Windows. I am on Windows, so we do this for Windows. But if you want to see a Linux, let me know in the comment section which distro do you want me to show you on. Any of them. Let me know in the comment section and we'll do the next video. So download for Windows. Nothing special here. Once the software is downloaded, we will click on the installation file. Okay, so now let's go ahead and install. So just click on it and wait for installer to run. The installation is very easy. You just click install and installation will begin. Once installation is finished, what you need to do is to open a terminal and just type in Ollama. And if it's installed, you will see the small help section when you see what you can do with Ollama. Okay, so as we can see, Ollama is installed. Now, what we need to do, we need to download a AI model. And on the Ollama website, let's go for the models. And as you can see, DeepSeek is here. So let's click on it. And as you can see, there is a quite few versions. The difference is a dataset. So as you can see, the 671B has 404 gigabytes. That's what you need to have on your computer free space. But I'll go for this one, 7 TB. And one more thing is worth to mention. Those models are so-called distilled models. And what does it mean? The model distillation is a process in which a large, complex model, the teacher, as you will, teaches a small student or apprentice. The main goal is to produce a lighter, faster neural network with capabilities similar, not always identical, to the original large model. You start with a large, well-trained model, for example GPT-3, and you generate or use a dataset that is passed through this large model. And instead of classic training with the ground truth label, correct classes, you use something which is called soft labels from the large model. And the smaller model learns to imitate the large model's output. The result is a smaller model with a fewer parameters or similar architecture to achieve comparable production quality to the large model, but runs faster and uses fewer resources. If you want to know more how the distillation works, let me know in the comments section and I will do the separate video. Okay, so let's decide on the model. I want to run 7 TB, let's say. So we already see that the system, the website, telling us what do we need to run. We need to run this command. So let's copy and let's paste this to our terminal. So now we see that the Ollama is pulling manifest and it will download the data set. It will take a moment, so please take this moment to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can check on Amazon on my book about snapshots. I did a presentation 2 days ago during the VM Explore in Barcelona. If you want to know your snapshots inside out, I will link that ebook in the video description. Once we're waiting for that model to be downloaded, I already have 2 other models download and I will show you something. So we open another window and we will tap Ollama list to see what models do we have available. And you see that we have 2 models. To run one of those models, I just copy the name and I will type Ollama, run, and the name of the model. And we see that prompt, which means that Ollama is ready and the language is ready. So let's ask the question. What is VMware? This is something from my space. And we see the thinking process. This is what I like in the DeepSeek, that it shows how it's talked to itself and the whole thinking process. And you see it's finished, and we have a prompt and it's ready to interact again. Let's ask him, do 2 plus 5. There you are. It's just something for fun. So this is how you interact with a DeepSeek offline. Just remember, this is 100% private. None of this query goes anywhere else. Everything stays on your local desktop. So now, how can we use Ollama in, let's say, Python? So I wrote a small script which shows you the capability of Ollama. The simple instruction is import Ollama. If you don't have Ollama, what you need to do is simple command pip install Ollama. I already have installed it, so I won't execute that one. Should you receive error message, you just need to do the pip 3. Alright? So import Ollama and then initialize the Ollama client, simply client, Ollama client. And now we use the prompt. Prompt is for your query. So whatever you want to ask. And then we are choosing model. I choose the model I already have downloaded, but we can change to 14B. And then we see that will be a generic response, and then we get a output on the screen. So let's put that to the test. So let's run that script. And as you can see, it's here, enter your query. I already prepared some query. So what I want from it is to create a Python program that prompts the user for integer input. If the user enters anything else, the program should display a message saying it must be a number. Once a valid integer is provided, the program should add 10 to it and display the equation along with the results. Let's do it. It will take a few moments for DeepSeek to analyze my query, my prompt, and give us an output. And here we go. We have some output. So let's have a look. Yeah, we see it has a while true loop. Try input. It may work. Explanation. The program uses while true loop to continuous prompt for user for input. Okay, it looks like it will work. So let's have a look. Quick test. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so let's don't put integer. Oh, it must be number, very good. Integer. Let's do the 5. Yes, it does work. So, as you can see, it will work. It just needs a bit of time. And again, it's all private. By the way, the script is on my GitHub account, and I will link it to the video description as well, so you can use and test it yourself. Guys, that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments about Ollama or how to use it, the AI models, or if you want me to show you how it works on the Linux, leave a comment, give me an idea, and I will do the video for you. For now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.